Brad Pitt requests review of child custody case with ex-Angelina Jolie after court disqualified private judge who was previously linked to the actor's attorneys. Brad Pitt has requested a review of his child custody case with ex-wife Angelina Jolie after the court disqualified the private judge who granted him joint custody of their 6 children. Lawyers for the star filed a petition for review with the California Supreme Court after the disqualification of Judge John Alderkirk effectively voided the joint custody ruling, according to People. A California appeals court disqualified Alderkirk in July, agreeing with Jolie in that the judge did not sufficiently disclose business relationships with Pitt's attorneys. In Pitt's petition, lawyers claim that elimination of Alderkirk effectively upended the constitutionally authorized temporary judging system in California and subsequently throws open the door to disqualification challenges at any point during a case, even if the party raising the motion has long been on notice about the alleged grounds for disqualification. In so doing, the opinion is guaranteed to fuel disqualification gamesmanship and raises serious questions as to whether the temporary judging system is a viable option in California's severely backlogged judicial system, the petition continues. In addition, lawyers for the actor allege that Jolie was made aware of Judge Alderkirk's significant professional history with Pitt's counsel from the very start, yet did not seek disqualification until years later. After more than 4 years of contentious litigation, every day of which has harmed the children and their father, an important and considered custody decision will be entirely undone as a result of an administrative error that is wholly unrelated to the merits of the custody dispute itself, the lawyers claimed. California law requires that a party seeking disqualification of a judge file a written statement objecting to continued proceedings before the judge at the earliest practicable opportunity after discovery of the facts constituting the ground for disqualification, the petition states. Failure to do so constitutes waiver or forfeiture of the party's right to seek disqualification. Lawyers for Pitt said in a statement given to People that the judge was improperly disqualified following a lengthy legal process which involved numerous witnesses and experts. The counsel state they are asking for a review because the temporary judge, who had been appointed and repeatedly renewed by both sides, was improperly disqualified after providing a detailed, fact-based custodial decision, following a lengthy legal process with multiple witnesses and experts. The decision to disqualify Alderkirk came in July, with the court ruling, Judge Alderkirk's ethical breach, considered together with the information disclosed concerning his recent professional relationships with Pitt's counsel, might cause an objective person, aware of all the facts, reasonably to entertain a doubt as to the judge's ability to be impartial. Disqualification is required. It is unclear what dealings Alderkirk is involved in with Pitt's attorneys. He also didn't allow the couple's kids to testify, despite Jolie wanting them to. The pair share 6 kids, 5 of whom are under 18. They are Maddox, 19, Pax, 17, Zahara, 16, Shiloh, 15, and twins Vivian and Knox, 13. Jolie adopted Maddox in 2002, then Zahara in 2005, a year after she'd met Pitt while the pair filmed Mr. and Mrs. Smith. He was married to Jennifer Aniston at the time. They then adopted Pax together in 2007, and had biological kids Shiloh, Knox and Vivian afterwards. Pitt adopted all of the kids before they got married in 2014. However, Pitt's team hit back, telling Page Six in a statement, the appeals court ruling was based on a technical procedural issue. The facts haven't changed. There is an extraordinary amount of factual evidence which led the judge, and the many experts who testified, to reach their clear conclusion about what is best in the children's best interests. We will continue to do what's necessary legally based on the detailed findings of what's best for the children. A source close to the actor said Pitt is disappointed by the legal setback, telling People, Brad believes there is overwhelming evidence that the current situation isn't good for the kids. This just sets things back for everyone. Jolie filed for sole custody after filing for divorce after an incident on the couple's private plane during which she said he became violent and abusive. Despite her protestations, Judge Alderkirk earlier this year granted Pitt tentative joint custody of the kids. Now, It's unclear if that will remain in place. The decision means that the custody fight over the couple's 5 minor children, which was nearing an end, could be starting over. The judge already ruled the pair divorced, but separated the child custody issues. Like many celebrity couples, Pitt and Jolie opted to hire their own judge to increase their privacy in the divorce proceedings. Aware of all the facts, reasonably to entertain a doubt as to the judge's ability to be impartial. Disqualification is required. It is unclear what dealings Albuquerque is involved in with Pitt's attorneys. He also didn't allow the couple's kids to testify, despite Jolie wanting them to. The pair share 6 kids, 5 of whom